So what's up guys, my name is Aditya and welcome to AGT Tech. Well guys, today I am having an amazing news regarding iPhone production in India. Well guys, before starting today's video, there is a sincere request that everybody watching this video, please subscribe to my channel because it motivates me a lot to make more of this kind of videos. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, before coming to the news, you need to know couple of things. First of all, Apple orders different parts from different companies and manufactures it with a contract based companies, and currently Apple is having 3 contract based manufacturers. First is Foxconn, second is Wistron, and third is Pegatron. Currently in India, Wistron and Foxconn are having their manufacturing units, but till today, Pegatron has never come in India. But according to the recent news, it is looking like Pegatron is trying its level best to enter into India. All of the top executives working at Pegatron are approaching all of the state representatives and planning to set a deal. Well guys, currently they are approaching to all of the states in India and looking for a suitable place, and after they get the land, they will start the manufacturing plant and later on order the latest machineries. And guys, if all of the latest technology will come in the Indian plant, then all of the flagship level iPhones can be manufactured in India. Well guys, currently because of this particular move, all of the 3 major manufacturers of Apple are coming in India, and because of which not just we will see a 20 to 30% price drop in iPhones, but also lots of people will get employment. Well guys, many people dream to work at Apple, and if this news comes true, then many people will get job opportunities. And guys, in 2018 and 19, Apple was the top company in China, and now if Apple will shift towards India, then Apple will not just become the biggest exporter of iPhones in India, but also Indian economy will get a major boost. This entire process will take a lot of time, but this doesn't mean that it will not happen quickly. Take example of Wistron and Foxconn. Currently they are improving the scale of production. So guys, from next month, the price tags of the iPhone SE 2020 will reduce possibly, and the price tag can come around 35,000 rupees. Take example of the iPhone XR. It is currently being manufactured in India from 1 year, but still the price tag will drop substantially. It will drop around 5 to 10,000 rupees. And take example of the iPhone 11. In the month of November or December, the production will start in India. Well guys, and who knows, if the advanced technologies come in India, then the iPhone 12's manufacturing might also begin. This was all of the information which I wanted to provide in my today's video. And guys, if you like to stay updated regarding Apple's ecosystem, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, peace.